In this video, I'll guide you through how to buy and sell coins on eBay. Whether you're a numismatic enthusiast or just looking to make some extra cash, eBay is a fantastic platform for trading coins. Let's dive in and explore the steps to get you started. First, head over to eBay by typing ebay.com into your web browser. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice a search bar located prominently at the top of the page. This is where you can enter the items you're interested in. Type in coins to begin your search. You'll see a variety of options appear, ranging from rare collectibles to general currency. It's important to have a specific idea of what you're looking for, whether it's a particular coin type, era, or value. After your search results load, take your time to browse through the listings. When you find a coin that piques your interest, go ahead and click on it to view more details. This will take you to the item's listing page, where you can find information about the coin's condition, price, and seller's reputation. Make sure to read the description carefully and check the high-quality images provided to ensure the coin meets your expectations. If you're ready to make a purchase, look for the Buy It Now button. This option allows you to purchase the item instantly at the listed price without having to bid against other buyers. Clicking this button will take you to the checkout process. Now it's time to set up your checkout. You'll be prompted to review your order, including the item's details and shipping options. Double-check everything to ensure accuracy. Then proceed by selecting your preferred payment method. eBay accepts various payment options, including credit cards and PayPal, so choose the one that's most convenient for you. Once you've selected your payment method, it's time to confirm and pay. Clicking this button finalizes your purchase, and you should receive a confirmation email shortly after. Congratulations, you've successfully bought a coin on eBay. Now, let's switch gears and focus on selling coins. Return to the eBay homepage and look towards the top right corner for the Sell button. Clicking this will take you to eBay's selling dashboard. Here, you'll want to click on Create Listing to begin the process of listing your coin for sale. In the search bar, type coins and click Search. This helps you find similar listings which can serve as a guide for pricing and describing your item. Once you've found a listing that closely matches your coin, you can select it and click Continue. Now, you'll need to complete your listing. This involves filling out details like the coin's title, description, and any specific attributes like year, mint, mark, or condition. Be as detailed and accurate as possible to attract potential buyers. Add high-quality photos of your coin from different angles to give buyers a clear view of what they're purchasing. Finally, once you're satisfied with your listing, click List It to publish it on eBay. Your coin is now available for purchase by millions of potential buyers worldwide. Keep an eye on your listing for any buyer inquiries and be prepared to answer questions promptly. There you have it, the essentials of buying and selling coins on eBay. By following these steps, you're well on your way to becoming a successful coin trader on this popular platform. Thanks for watching and happy trading.